Didn't you read this? Cancer, heart disease, emphysema.
Well, I thought those were the ingredients.
Oh my gosh, that's really, really funny. Compromising positions, extreme alternative therapies, and watch out, it's contagious. In honor of the new season coming out, today we are breaking down and reacting to all the unhinged medical scenes and ridiculous injuries from King of the Hill. Let's dive right in.
Great, you're taking a break.
No, he threw out his back. He's bent over in an L position. When somebody does that, it's either relating to the fact that the muscle is spasmed and it feels better in this position, or the nerve is being pinched somewhere. By sitting forward or leaning forward or sitting in a chair, it opens up that space and gives more area for that nerve to be.
Well, this all looks normal.
Normal?
Oh my gosh, you know something is off, and then the doctor tells you everything is normal. All he's able to see in this from a normal standpoint is that there's no fracture and the alignments are about as they should.
I spent all day at work bent over like an L. Good posture is one of a salesman's most potent weapons.
I'm sorry, Mr. Hill. I understand it's painful, but soft tissue injury just doesn't show up on film.
Ah, perfect. At least he was honest. MRIs take a long time to actually do the study. And so you can't do MRIs all day long. In an emergency department, hospital, they are reserved for life-threatening emergencies.
Huh. So how do you fix it?
Well, there's really nothing I can do. What your back needs is rest.
The doctor is right. Rest, massage, maybe acupuncture, ice, heat. Don't use it. You know, don't strain yourself that much. All these different things.
If you insist on working, I'll write you a prescription for pain medicine.
Whoa there, Dr. Feelgood. I work at a propane dealership.
Oh my gosh. There's really only a few pain medications that you can go on and still be functional at work that don't cause alterations in how you potentially think. And that includes over-the-counter medications. Ibuprofen, Tylenol, maybe like the prescription for Celebrex, but we don't really use that too often anymore.
Then I'm sorry, but all Western medicine can really offer you are drugs and nothing.
Yep.
Some people have had good luck with yoga.
So those are my choices? Workers' comp, drugs, or yoga?
Yep. Oh, it's the worst.
I hate to ask you this, but I'm gonna need some help putting my pants back on.
Normally this is temporary and spasms, nerve irritations, that should improve. Now, if there is a fixed abnormality, a nerve root that's being compressed by a cervical disc or a fracture, sometimes you can do different therapies to reduce the swelling and the irritation to the area, but sometimes there needs to be surgery interventions.
Hey, it's here. Guess what?
Driver's license.
Hank R. Hill. Eyes brown, yes sir. Weight 220, and dang proud of it.
He's 6'2" at 220. You know, not too bad. He's a pretty tall guy, so you're gonna have extra weight there.
Sex? F? That's female. What if I died in some car accident and because of my license, they put me in the ladies' morgue?
There aren't separate sex morgues. There's just one morgue.
I'll need your doctor to sign this form confirming you are the gender you claim to be.
Ah.
Thanks for seeing me, doctor. My regular physician couldn't squeeze me in. I just need you to say that I'm a man.
Whoa, I'm not signing a paper that just says anything.
In many states in the United States, you can just tell them what you identify as, male, female, or X, like non-binary. While other states, you still need a doctor to document for you, especially if you already have a sex on your driver's license that then you want to change.
I am willing to do a blood test and a genetic screening. That is proof positive and not actionable.
Can't you just do a, visual exam?
Gender is not as cut and dried as it used to be, Mr. Hill.
Doctors nowadays have to be very cautious when it comes to sex, gender, identification. It does get confusing, but we just have open conversations with patients.
Brian!
Oops. Oh no!
My favorite arm.
When people land on the elbow like that, you can have a fracture, you can have a dislocation or hematoma, or end up having swelling of the bursa, which is basically fluid packets around the joint, especially the elbow.
It looks pretty bad, Dale. Do you need to go to the doctor?
One doctor. I'm gonna go to about 2,000 buzzing ones.
What does that mean? How many people out there are allergic to bees? Let me know in the comments, and make sure you have your EpiPens if you are.
One more sting and my treatment will be complete. And cured.
Kind of reminds me of my buddy Coyote Peterson getting stung. But when the arm is looking like that, I would not start sticking bugs and more wounds into the area. We don't start sticking needles in something that's red and inflamed.
Okay, Joseph, take that stick and poke me in my once again robust arm. See? I don't feel a thing.
Bee venom has a lot of different good properties in it, a lot of different chemicals, fancy names. In controlled trials with controlled the bee venom, they're doing some experimental studies relating to arthritis, MS, and different types of skin disorders. So really cool that they're trying to use this stuff.
Wait a minute. I don't feel a thing.
Uh-oh.
Your venom did nothing. You betrayed me. Well, you may have destroyed my arm, but my legs are still feeble yet functional.
Oh no. Bees in general can have different healing properties. Even the honey that they make, we actually use that as wound care for individuals to help with like healing of wounds, like literally in bandages. We use honey when somebody has a sore throat. It's actually been proven to be just as efficacious as cough syrup.
Oh.
It's not good. Even if you're not allergic to bees, if you get stung by a significant amount of bees, you can have such an inflammatory response that you become hypotensive, tachycardic, so you may still need epinephrine.
Someone in there? Is this John occupied?
See?
Oh my God.
Bobby, is that you?
A lot of people light up a cigarette thinking it helps with stress, but it just forms bad habits and leaves you jittery. That's why I formulated Chillax by my company Life Happens. Doctor formulated to help you calm your mind without the smoke damage to your lungs. Check out Chillax at lifehappens.com or on Amazon.
Well, do you want to lose a lung? Because if you do, I am sure there's another little boy out there who would take it in a second.
Didn't you read this? Cancer, heart disease, emphysema.
Well, I thought those were the ingredients.
Oh my gosh, that's really, really funny.
That's pretty funny.
Yes, smoking is bad for you. It impairs our lungs, messes with the vasculature, leading to heart disease, emphysema. We say emphysema, but majority of the time it's actually COPD, combination of emphysema and chronic bronchitis.
You are gonna smoke this entire
There it is.
Huh? I thought you said you didn't want me to smoke anymore.
Oh, this'll take care of that, believe me.
Oh my gosh, colors changing. He's not feeling good. The amount of nicotine as well as hypoxia that is probably going on. As you're smoking, you're inhibiting your ability to have gases exchange. Your oxygen level is going to start going down and get lightheaded, dizzy.
Dang it. Lately, my scalp's been itching like crazy.
Uh-oh, dry scalp.
Dry, itchy scalp.
You know what I'm going to say. Lice. People will come to the emergency department with head lice as well. We do have creams that you can put on, washes to try to kill the bugs basically in different stages that they are in. Sometimes you need multiple treatments.
I have always wanted to use one of these.
Oh my gosh. So yes, there are certain circumstances where we might just cut off somebody's hair. And so we offer them like buzzers to shave their heads if they want. We don't do it for them or we don't force it, but it is an option. Who doesn't like King of the Hill? I actually forgot this show is actually quite funny and educational at the same time. So if you guys enjoyed this, definitely check out this playlist right here. Binge watch everything. And as always, do me a favor, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and hit that like button for me. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy, my friends.